My dear student friends, hope you are fine. Today, let's go through a story of great adventure. Do you like to face adventures in your life? But this adventure is entirely different. Before going to this adventure, let's move to a profile of Stephen William Hawking. Stephen William Hawking is a great physicist known for his work regarding black holes in space. He has authored several popular science books. Even at an early age, Hawking showed a passion for science and astronomy. At the age of 21, while studying at Cambridge, he was diagnosed with a serious disease. Gradually, he became entirely paralyzed and his life got confined to a wheelchair. Despite his illness, he has done groundbreaking work in physics and astronomy. He has done this with his self-confidence, strong will and determination. We should learn to be self-confident. Let's move to the great adventure. Here is a story of a little girl named Toto-chan who encouraged a differently able boy to climb a tree. Toto-chan is a brave and merciful girl. She studied in Tomo School. There, the students each had a tree in the school grounds. Toto-chan also had a tree of her own. She used to climb the tree during recess and after school. Toto-chan had a friend. His name was Yasuki-chan. He had been stricken by polio. It was difficult for him even to walk. But Toto-chan wanted to make him climb her tree. After much effort, she succeeded in her plan. Yasuki-chan also became very happy. We can see how she worked hard to fulfill her wish. She is helpful and brave. She has her own ideas to help others. Shall I read it? The Great Adventure. Adventure means exciting and daring experience. The students at Tomo each had a tree in the school ground. They considered it as their own climbing tree. Consider means believe or think. Toto-chan's tree stood on the edge of the school ground near the fence. Fence means a barrier made of wire or wood enclosing an area. It was a large tree and slippery to climb, but if you climbed it skillfully, you could get to a fork about 6 feet from the ground. Slippery means difficult to hold, stand on or move on without slipping because it is smooth, wet, polished, etc. Skillful means having or showing the ability to do something well. Fork means a place where a tree is divided into two branches. The fork was as comfortable as a hammock. Comfortable means allowing one to relax pleasantly. Hammock means a type of bed made from a net with ropes on each end to hang it between trees, posts, etc. Toto-chan used to climb there during recess and after school. Recess means a short break. She would sit on the fork and look into the distance or at the sky or watch the people pass by. The children considered their trees their own private property. If you wanted to climb someone else's tree, you had to seek their permission very politely, saying, "Excuse me, may I come in?" Polite means respectful and considerate. Seek means try to find or obtain. The invitation. Invitation means a request that someone should join you in going somewhere or doing something. Yasuki-chan had polio. Polio means a disease affecting the nerves in the spine and often resulting in an inability to move or control parts of the body. He had never climbed a tree, so he couldn't claim any tree as his own. Claim means to demand or ask for something. That's why Toto-chan decided to invite him to her tree. They kept it a secret. Secret means kept from or not known by others. They thought people would create a fuss if they knew. Fuss means an excited, noisy situation. When she left home, Toto-chan told her mother that she was going to visit Yasuki-chan at his home. She was telling a lie, so she tried not to look at mother. She kept her eyes on her shoelaces. Rocky, her dog, followed her to the station. When they parted company, she told Rocky the truth. Part means to leave one another's company. I am going to let Yasuki-chan climb my tree. Yasuki-chan. When Toto-chan reached school, she found Yasuki-chan waiting in the school ground. He was only a year older than Toto-chan, but he always sounded much older when he spoke. Sounded means gave the impression that. When Yasuki-chan saw Toto-chan, he hurried towards her, dragging his leg and holding his arms out in front to steady himself. Hurried means more quickly than usual. Drag means to pull along with effort and difficulty. Steady himself means firmly fixed. Toto-chan was thrilled to think they were going to do something secret and she giggled. Thrilled means a sudden feeling of excitement. Giggled means laughed in a silly way. Yasuki-chan giggled too. The climb. Toto-chan led Yasuki-chan to her tree. Then she ran to the nearby shed and got a ladder. Ladder means a set of bars or steps between two uprights used for climbing. She dragged it over to the tree and leaned it against the trunk so that it reached the fork. Lean means to place in a sloping position. Trunk means the thick main stem of a tree. She climbed up quickly and holding the top of the ladder, called down, "All right, try climbing up." Yasuki-chan's arms and legs were very weak. It seemed he could not even get on the first rung without help. Rung means one of the bars that forms the step in a ladder. A friend in need. Toto-chan hurried down the ladder and tried pushing Yasuki-chan up from behind. Yasuki-chan took his foot off the bottom rung. He stood beside the ladder with his head bowed. Bowed means bent. Toto-chan realized that it was going to be very difficult. What should she do? She longed to have Yasuki-chan climb her tree. He was also looking forward to it. She went around and faced him. He looked cheerless. Cheerless means dull and depressing. Toto-chan puffed out her cheeks and made a funny face to cheer him up. Puff out means to make something bigger or rounder by filling it with air. Funny means causing laughter. Wait, I have got an idea. My dear student friends, let's go through the words and try to say from the memory. Adventure, students, Tomo, school grounds, considered, climbing, fence, slippery, skillfully, fork, 6 feet, comfortable, hammock, distance, private property, permission, seek, politely, excuse me, invitation, polio, decided, secret, thought, Yasuki-chan, lie, Rocky, shoelaces, older, waiting, dragging, hurried, steady, thrilled, giggled, ladder, trunk, quickly, holding, rung, stood, bottom, realized, difficult, forward, faced, cheerless, puffed out, funny face, idea. Okay, my dear student friends, see you next week by Toto-chan's idea and the climax of the story. Thank you.